who is A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami. Swami Prabhupada appeared in the world in 1896 in Calcutta, India. He first met his spiritual master Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami in Calcutta in 1922. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, a prominent religious scholar and the founder of 64 Gaudiya Maths, means Vedic Institute. Like this, founder of 64 Maths, Gaudiya Maths, Vedic Institute. Like this, educated young men and convinced him to dedicate his life to teaching Vedic knowledge. Srila Prabhupada became his student, and in 1933 he formally initiated disciple. At their first meeting in 1922, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati requested Srila Prabhupada to broadcast Vedic knowledge in English. In the years that followed, Srila Prabhupada wrote a commentary on the Bhagavad Gita, assisted the Gaudiya Maths in its work, and it in 1944 started Back to Godhead, an English fortnightly magazine singles handle. Srila Prabhupada edited it, typed the main script, checked the gallery proofed, and even disturbed to individual copies. The magazine is now being continued by his disciple. In 1950, Srila Prabhupada retired from married life, adopting the Vanaprastha, retired order to devote more time to his studies and writing. He traveled to the holy city of Vrindavana, where he lived in humble circumstances in the historic temple of Radha Damodara. There he engaged for several years in deep study and writing. He accepted the renounced order of life, sannyasa. In 1959, at Radha Damodara, Srila Prabhupada began work on his life's masterpiece, a multi-volume commentated translation of the 18,000 versa Srimad Bhagavad Purana. He also wrote Easy Journey to Other Planets, after publishing their volumes of the Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Prabhupada come to the United States in the September 1965 to fulfill the mission of his spiritual master. Subsequently, his divine grace wrought more than 50 volumes of authoritative commented translation and summary studies of the philosophical and religious classes of India. When he first arrived by Friday in New York City, Srila Prabhupada was practically penniless. Only after almost a year of great difficulty did he established in International Society for Krishna Consciousness. In July of 1966, before he passed away on November 1977, means November 1997, he had guided the society and seen it grow to worldwide confederation of more than 100 ashram, schools, temples, institute and community. In 1972, His Divine Grace introduced the Vedic system of primary and secondary education in the West by founding the Gurukul school in Dallas, Texas. Since then, his disciples have established similar school throughout the United States and the rest of the world. Sri Prabhupada also inspired the construction of several large international culture centers in India. International cultural centers in India. The center at Siddharma Mayapur, Sri Dham Mayapur in West Bengal, in the site for planned spiritual city and an ambitious project for which construction will extend over many years to come in Vrindavana are the magnificent Krishna Balaram temple and international guest house, Gurukula school and Srila Prabhupada memories and museum. There are also major cultural and educational center in Mumbai and New Delhi, and other centers are planned in a dozen important locations or the Indian subcontinent. Srila Srila Prabhupada's most significant contribution, however, is his books, highly respected by scholars for their authority, depth, and clearly they are used as textbooks in numerous college course. His writings have been translated into over 50 languages. The Bhakti Vedanta Books Trust, established in 1972 to publish the works of His Divine Grace, has thus become that the world's largest published of books in the field of Indian religion and philosophy. In just 12 years, despite his advanced age, Srila Prabhupada circled in the globe 14 times on lecture tours that took him to 6 continents. In spite of such vigorous schedule, Srila Prabhupada continued to write prolifically. His writing constitute a veritable library of Vedic philosophy, religion, literature, and culture. That means Sri Prabhupada. Who is Prabhupada? A.C. Prabhupada. Very most important person. I can't explain about him. According to Bhagavad Gita, Krishna consciousness, devotional service, Godhead said, there are so many foundation by Bhagavad Gita. A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, was a great man of India, around the world. I can't define against him. Sat Naman. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.